Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A57 that won't send SMS messages. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so first of all check your internet connection is working properly. After check internet connection, you will see internet connection is working properly and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings panel, suggest swipe down and turn on mobile data and you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up down button and restart phone from here. After restart phone, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app and click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A57 that won't send MMS messages. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.